What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have an iPhone 5s and I am dropping it in water. So let's get started. My iPhone is in good condition, but its back and inner screen is little damaged. So I'm turning on it. As you can see, the screen is little damaged and back. So we have the water and a stopwatch timer. There we can see a time. We can set up time at 1 minute and 10 seconds. So I'm going to drop it. The water is little cool, not much but little cool. So let's start. So let's see it is working or not. Yeah, it's pretty working, great. Yep, time is over. Let's get out the phone and see what would be happened. Yeah, what? The inner screen is not working. Let's try again. Nope, it's not working. So guys, hope you like the video. If you like it, hit the subscribe button and like. Can this video hit 30 likes? So see you in next video. Take care. Bye.